Check this out. Today, we're unboxing the Ultimate White Drone. It's sleek, fast, and packed with features. Let's get into it. Look at that finish. The high-gloss white looks incredible. First impressions? 10 out of 10. It feels rugged yet lightweight. The centerpiece is this 4K stabilized gimbal. It's built for buttery smooth cinematic shots, even in high winds. Professional quality in your pocket. The controller is ergonomic and responsive. With long-range tech, you've got a crystal-clear feed from miles away. Total control, zero lag. It's powered by high-capacity smart batteries for 30-plus minutes of flight time. These motors are quiet, but incredibly powerful. Ready for liftoff? This is the new standard for compact drones. Hit that like button and let's take to the skies.